What if we stopped armoring up and started showing up? Well, this past month's book club cracked that wide open when we jumped into Brene Brown's Daring Greatly. Our community came together in a way that was just completely in keeping with the tenets of the book. We were authentic. We were supportive. We let the shame go out the window. We laughed a ton. We are meeting, this transformational book club and coaching meets every Wednesday, the very first Wednesday of every month. And next month on June 4th, we are going to be jumping into The Subtle Art of Not Giving an F. Have you read that one? It's not about being careless. It's not about not caring. It's about caring selectively. More about that later. Hope to see you inside the club.